Hi there, my name is Simon and welcome to Juicers.co.uk. Today we're going to review a rather unique product in the form of the Sage Bluicer Pro. Now, if you hadn't already guessed, a Bluicer is a product that can both juice and blend all in one. Therefore, it means you wouldn't need separate products to fill both roles. In theory, it's a very exciting and practical concept. So let's see how it is in reality. Now, since the Bluicer Pro can both juice and blend, it packs in a lot of features. On the juicing end, it starts off with a brilliant 88mm diameter feed chute. This is very wide on the scale of most juicers and makes it easy to feed even whole ingredients down the chute, saving time on both the juicing process and prior food preparation. Alongside the chute, the Bluicer Pro also makes use of a refined and advanced juicing mechanism with a large blade and filter basket. This is then further combined with Sage's unique cold spin technology, which helps to prevent unnecessary nutrient oxidation in the juicers it produces. This is achieved by reducing the transfer of excess heat from the motor through insulation. Although it is important to not mistake this cold spin technology for cold press juicing. They're very different. Moving on to the blender related features, let's start by taking a look at the selection of intuitive controls. For starters, there's the manual speed dial on the right, which allows for fine-tuned adjustments to the operating speed. This is then supported by 5 pre-programmed blending cycle buttons for green smoothies, pulsing/ice crushing, cleaning, and cocktails. Finally, the LED display helps to clearly show the settings in use with a timer and speed level indicator. Those settings certainly help to provide options, but in many ways, they're only useful thanks to Sage's kinetics blending technology. This technology ensures that the Bluicer Pro can produce various types of results, from processing tasks, such as grinding and chopping, to blitzing smoothies or soups until they are silky smooth. Lastly, the Bluicer Pro is supported by a few basic accessories out of the box. However, if you want to take it to another league, it is also compatible with Sage's VAC-Q attachment, which can be purchased on the side. The VAC-Q allows the Bluicer to blend in a vacuum-sealed environment, minimizing oxidation of key nutrients by removing oxygen from inside the jug. It works with a simple press of a button and allows for higher quality end results to be produced. Moving on, you might assume that since the Bluicer Pro is trying to fill 2 roles, that it simply can't match the performance of a dedicated product. However, we're pleasantly surprised to say that's not what we found during our testing. When used for juicing, the performed to the same standard as other Sage centrifugal juicers. Since Sage makes some of the best centrifugal juicers on the market, that's no small feat. Of course, since it is centrifugal, it's not sitting on par with cold press models in terms of juice yields and quality, but it is very fast and easy to use, and as with other modern Sages, it's not too far behind the cold press standard. Additionally, it proves capable of effectively handling a wide variety of ingredients, from soft and hard fruits through to tough root vegetables. It can even handle fibrous ingredients such as celery and extract some juice out of leafy greens, a very difficult task for most centrifugal models. As for the blending side, this fares just as well. The high-power 1350 watt motor is able to easily cut and power through a wide selection of ingredients, including ice cubes, which are notoriously tough for blenders to cut through. The jug and blades are also able to quickly and efficiently produce an optimal blending vortex. This in turn ensures that the ingredients are blended evenly, as they are forced to fold over each other, providing consistent contact with the blade. All in all, the Bluicer Pro has good features and performs well, so it's not too surprising that it offers a comfortable user experience as well. Thanks to its fast operating speed and wide feed chute, it's incredibly easy and satisfying to use for juicing. This also transfers over to blending, where many processes can be started with a single press of one of the pre-programmed cycle buttons. Beyond juicing and blending directly, the Bluicer Pro is also quite easy to clean. After blending, the auto clean function, combined with some soap and water, makes short work of any leftover residue, which can then be easily poured away before the jug is rinsed out. On the other hand, the juicing components aren't quite as straightforward, but most rinse clean quite easily. The filter basket takes a bit more work though, and should be scrubbed with the provided cleaning brush. That said, a majority of the parts are also dishwasher safe if you prefer to avoid washing by hand. Now, as far as assembly is concerned, each of the 3X's setups are easy to put together. For blending, it really is just a case of placing the 1.5 litre jug on the base. Then for juicing, the process is a little longer, but there are only 4 parts to be assembled and they all fit together easily before being held in place with the locking arm. Last but not least, let's talk about the build quality of the 3X Bluicer Pro. As with a majority of Sage models, it shows up really well here. The parts are all made of high quality and durable materials. Elements such as the blending jug or juicing lid and feed chute are all made of damage-resistant BPA-free plastics. This ensures that they don't leach chemicals, while also allowing them to handle the rigors of either the juicing or blending process. Then, elements such as the blending blade or juicing filter basket and blade are made of stainless steel. Since they endure the worst of the force and wear from their respective processors, this level of build quality is particularly key to reduce issues with worsening performance over time. Moving down from the parts, the base has also been built to a similar standard with a brushed stainless steel housing around the motor. This helps to minimize scratches and wear, while also providing a very clean and stylish aesthetic. The locking arm has also received the same treatment, which will help to ensure that it doesn't easily crack or snap. Combined together, all these factors make the 3X Bluicer Pro one of the sturdier products around, and it's also supported by a 2-year warranty from Sage. So, on inspection, it seems fair to say that the Sage 3X Bluicer Pro achieves its goal really well. It is an excellent example of what alternative modern products can offer, and successfully brings together juicing and blending to the same standard of performance. On top of that, it's well made, easy to use, and fitted with plenty of useful features for each of its roles. Therefore, it's difficult to find any issues with the 3X Bluicer Pro, especially considering it's much more affordable than 2 separate devices of similar quality. So, if you prefer to keep your kitchen appliances to a minimum without having to choose between juicing and blending, the 3X Bluicer Pro is definitely a product we'd recommend for you to consider. As always, thank you for joining us, and we hope that you found this review useful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, and we'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions down in the comments below. For more content like this, be sure to check out our channel and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest releases. Be sure to have a lovely day, and we'll catch you next time.